Hello everyone. If you saw my videos about the cooking class in Los Cabos in La Flora, I was talking about that I learned some of the basics. We make salsa, we made guacamole, we made, what else we made? Some pico de gallo, and all the basics of the delicious Mexican food. So they taught us how to cut an onion and without crying. So I am gonna try that. So the first thing I did is cut the onion in half, but without cutting this part of the onion. All right, so now I'm going to stop this video so I can point the onions when I'm cutting, and let's check if I actually can do this without crying. Let's check it out. All right, so let's try this out. We're supposed to just peel some of this. I actually wish I could have video what he was talking about. It was a lot of information to grasp. Okay, so we're not to cut this part. So far so good. My eyes are nice and clean. All right, then he said to, from this part of here, just go sliding. So I think it was like this. So I'm doing a roast tapado, which is a Peruvian dish with ground beef, onion, tomatoes, special Peruvian panca, garlic. Oh my God, look how far I am. No crying. So the key is to keep this part on. Oh my God, it's working. As many of you know, I need kitchen 101. I think maybe this, I should have taken it out, no, but guys, this is ridiculous. How come nobody knew about this secret? See guys, cooking class is worth every penny. Don't tell me how, but this is working. All right, so now I'm afraid I have to cut this part. So I'm gonna cut this part and see if I start crying. This is the bottom, not the beginning. Oh, shoes. All right, let's keep going with this one. We'll keep doing the dices. Well, I did it in the farm. And we did it again. Onion is cut. Fearless! Woo! It worked. I hope I teach you something that you did not know. Goodbye. Happy cooking.